Let's fill out the South Dakota Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle: make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong: the VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, and how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties. And it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. Welcome to this quick guide on vehicle bill of sale requirements for this state. Let's walk through what you need to know before buying or selling a vehicle here. First, you'll need either a purchase agreement or a valid bill of sale, so make sure you have one of those ready to go. When it comes to the seller, a seller's permit is required. So sellers, check that you have yours in order before the transaction takes place. Now, if there's a lien on the vehicle, a couple of things apply. The title will be held electronically until that lien is released, and you'll also need a letter from the lien holder giving permission for the change of ownership. On the topic of the title itself, the seller has 45 days from the date of sale to deliver the title to the purchaser, so keep that deadline in mind. Also, during the title transfer, a name may be added or removed from the title, which can be handy if you're adjusting ownership details. An odometer disclosure is required as part of this process, so be prepared to document the vehicle's mileage accurately. And finally, the sale price information is tied to the title, so make sure that's properly reflected in your paperwork. That covers the key requirements for this state. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.